even know about it. Our school has organized a skit on Janmashtami. Do you want to watch it? Oh yes, why not? I want to know more about the festival and its rituals. Let's come with me.
കണ്ടു ഞാൻ കണ്ണനെ മായാപൂർണ്ണനെ ഗുരുവായൂരമ്പലനടനേ
Wow, what a performance! The little Krishna was very cute. Now, I call upon my friend Trisha Dua for welcome speech. Good morning to our principal, Reverend G. Jyoti Mukherjee, respected teachers, dear parents, and all my dear friends. I, Kusha Agarwal of Sunday Post, feel great privilege as I got this opportunity to welcome you all on behalf of St. Thomas School, Surat, on this auspicious and blessed occasion of Janmashtami. Firstly, I would like to welcome our principal, Reverend G. Jyoti Mukherjee, who is the promoter of this celebration. His ideas and thoughts were taught in reality. Then I would like to welcome all our teachers who organized and guided us so well. I heartily welcome all the parents who are so important for us. Without your presence, this day wouldn't be so marvelous. Lastly, I welcome all my friends who are real source of entertainment. So stay tuned till the end of our program. Thank you. Thank you, Kisha, for your warm welcome. Now I would like to call Samar and Shaurya for prayer song.
अब भाई म्यूजिक
Make me Make me a servant, humble and meek. Lord, let me lift up those who are weak. Jyoti Muteri, respected teacher, parents and all my dear friends. I, Diya Paronawala of Standard 1st, St. Thomas School, Surat, will speak today about Krishna and why it is name of Janmashtami. Krishna Janmashtami is also called Gokulashtami or Sri Krishna Jayanti. It is one of the main festivals of Hindus. It is celebrated as birth anniversary of Lord Krishna. Krishna was born on 8th day in the month of Bhadrapada and he was the 8th child of Devaki. So it is known as Janmashtami. Devaki and Vasudev were biological parents of Lord Krishna. Yashoda and Nand were foster parents of Lord Krishna, brought up by them at Gokul. Jai Shri Krishna and Happy Janmashtami to all. Thank you, Diya. Get ready for surprise.
A long time ago in Mathura, there was a king named Kans
Ha 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 ha.
who was infamous for his greed and unfair rules. After the marriage of his sister Devaki to Vasudev, a prophetic voice from above announced, "Your trinity is going to come to an end. The 8th son born to Devaki and Vasudev will kill you." This enraged Kans and he imprisoned the newlyweds. Kans went on to kill 7 of Devaki's children. Take the child across the river Yamuna to Gokul and exchange him with your friend Nand and Yashoda's newly born daughter. Vasudev looked down. To release his hands had been unchained. He quickly picked up his child and put him in a basket, arriving at the gate to find them open on their own and the guards asleep. As he crossed the stormy river, the basket upon his head, the water never rose above his shoulder. When he struggled, a 10-headed snake appeared to protect the child from the pouring rain. Vasudev by now had realized that his child was a divine being. At Nand's house, Vasudev switched the children and returned to the prison. When Kans arrived and tried to harm the child, it took the form of goddess Durga and said, "The 8th child who is going to end your reign of terror has been born and will fulfill his prophecy." The child Krishna was raised by Yashodama and went on to kill Kans. And so every year we celebrate the birth of Sri Krishna, also known as Janmashtami across India.
ये कौन?
Dear friends, as we live in India, let us celebrate all the festivals by respecting our brothers and sisters with joy and happiness. Really a wonderful surprise. Now I would like to call Samar for vote of thanks. Good morning to our principal, Reverend Jejo, my teachers, parents and all my dear friends. On behalf of St. Thomas School, I, Samajariwala from Standard First, would like to take this opportunity of proposing the vote of thanks. We are delighted that this Janmashtami was celebrating in a school. Although it was conducted on a virtual platform, the same was organized very systematically. Would like to thank and give credit to our principal sir for coming up with such a wonderful idea for celebrating Janmashtami. Next, my sincere thanks to teachers of Standard First, parents of participants and other staff members who provided much required technical support. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the teachers